Hello all. So today we are going to learn new concept in MySQL. So the previous class we have completed constraints, right? There are many constraints. We have foreign key and primary key and check and default and unique. And these all are constraints we have. So if you are not watching my previous class, go and watch it, please. And today we are going to learn more concept in MySQL. So what are those? So in MySQL, we have a alter command. So okay, alter command. Alter command. So this alter command, which where it is coming comes under. So is it a DDL command or a DML command? So DDL command. This is DDL command. It comes under DDL command. Okay. So what is the purpose of this alter command? So what is the purpose of this alter command? See, if you want to update, okay, if you want to change the schema and structure of the table, okay, where your table, you can use alter command. Alter command. And next, if we want to add new column, sorry, comments to the existing table and removing column from the table. Okay. Few, the last one. If you want to change the data types, whatever the data types you mentioned before, those also we can use this alter command to change it. So that means adding and removing. So these many ways this alter command with help of this MySQL. So we will see example. So let me go to my MySQL. Show how to check the databases. Show databases, right? So we have system. So how to create database? Create database name sample. Right? Now check it. Great. So within this, we have to create. So sample I wants to use, right? A database. Use sample. How to entering into database? Use sample. So database change. Is there any tables inside in this sample? We'll check it. Tables. So empty set. There is no tables as of now. Okay. Let me create one table within this sample. Okay, let me create one table. So create, so table. So table name is MP and so ID is int and name varchar and size. You can define the size here and so salary int I can give. So next department ID. So department ID, let me give int. That's it. Ends with semicolon. So created successfully. How to check it that DESC description of table EMP. So ends with. So ID name salary D ID. So here we have ID and name, salary, and department ID columns. So there is no age column right now, right? So if I want to add this existing table to a new column, so how to add? I'll show you. So right now there is no age column into student table. Sorry, EMP table. To the employee table, I want to add new column. So I want to add new column into the existing table. So how to add? Very simple. So how to add new column to the existing table. So let me writing the syntax. Alter table underscore name and add column name. That is the syntax. So this is the syntax we have. Actual syntax to the alter command. So alter table. So table name is EMP and add age int, right? So let me add this to this here. So 0 rows affected. Query okay. So let me check the description of this table. DESC, right? See, earlier there is no age column here. Now within the field section we have a age, right? Now you can see the age of column here. Simple, very simple. This is alter table EMP add age ID int. See, if you want to drop any column from the existing table, how to do it? So alter table. So table name and I have to drop, right? Drop column and column name. So here I want to drop salary column into this EMP table. So how to drop it? So drop it means deleting. Alter table EMP. So drop column and sal, right? So here you need here you no need to give any data type. Okay, just column name. That's it. Okay, you no need to give any data type here. Enter. So now you can check your table DESC EMP. See, so there is no salary column in the new DSC. This table. Okay, existing we have here, but there is no salary column here. So how simple it is? Very simple. Okay. So this is how the alter command will work. Okay. Next. Very simple this is. If you don't understand, you can comment it the video. I can explain you. Okay. I can try to reply back to you guys. Okay. Okay. Next. Now we will see some examples how to add, how to alter the constraints in the existing table. So the previous class we have learned constraints, right? Those constraints, so see, as of now there is no constraints we have in this employee table, right? Now by using alter command, we can add those constraints. So now I want to apply not null constraints on the name column. Okay. What happens if you apply not null constraints? We will see. Okay. So once you apply not null constraints in the name column, this null row, this S will be no. It is not accepting null values. How to do it? Let me use systems clear. So DESC, ESC, AMP. So let me alter that. So here alter table EMP modify name varchar 20 and not null. So if you apply this statement, what happened? So the name of this column you will be see not accepting null values. As of now, it is accepting null values because we are not given any constraints and there is no keys we have here. Okay. So let me add this. What happens, we'll see. So check your description of the table now. You can see, so null has no against the name column. So this is how add not null constraints to existing table. Okay, column. So again, I want to make this not null to remove, revert back. What happens? How to do it? So how to do it? So I added right just now. So how to remove it? So I want to remove that by using alter command again. The constraint. Simple. The same command. The same command you could say null. So now you can check it. See. Again it is showing S. So this is how you need to, okay, this is how you need to alter the column or table, any column, okay, any column by adding this null constraint. So now I am adding one more column, email, to the existing table, this EMP table. How to do that? Simple, already we have, right? So where we added, so here, right? So simple, you can take this, alter every EMP, add email, so this is and 20. That's it, right? So simply let me take this, then So see here, em. Now, see, I want to make this column as a unique. So I want to make this column as a unique. So how to use? So how to add this? Okay. Let me go to the. So now how to add unique into that existing column. So alter table emp add constraint. Okay. The constraint. What constraints we are going to add? Unique constraints on the column name email. Okay. And ends with semicolon. Okay. So query okay, 0 rows affected. So DESC. See the email unique key is there. Now UN9. So clear. Like this we can do it. Okay. So this is how we can add the unique key. Now next alter table emp add constraint check constraint this time. Check. So how to add check constraint? Check. So this time we can add the constraint in age column. We have age column, right? Less than 18. Alter table emp add constraint check. Okay. So query okay, 0 rows affected. So see, check. Okay. Check is there. So this is how we can do it. If you want to see, let me insert record. Insert. So insert into. So insert into emp values. So one and the name is Hari and so ID is 101 and age 17 I am giving. Next email Hari @email.com. See, check constraints emp check one is evaluated. So that means check constraints is not accepting the 17 value because we given the condition, right? Now if I am giving 19, it will accept. See, query okay, row affected. Now you can check, select star from emp. So now I am dropping the table. Drop emp. Sorry, drop table emp. Okay, I drop the table now. Okay, drop table EMP. What is supposed to do? I am creating table one more time without creating any primary key, and the later I will alter the table to add the primary key to the existing column. So how to do that? Create table EMP. Here I have mentioned two columns, ID, int, name, varchar 20, and age is int. See, I am not adding any primary key to this particular EMP table. Now let me check the description. So DSC EMP. So there is no keys in this particular table as of now because we drop it, right? Just now we drop it. That's why. Now let me clear this. Okay. Okay. There is no DSC table name EMP. Okay. Now we'll add primary key to this existing table. Okay. By using the alter command, we add primary key to this particular table. How to do that? The ID column key we can add it. So alter table EMP add constraints a constraint and primary key ID. See, so alter table EMP add constraint primary key. Now you can check it that is, see, primary key is there, PRI. So we assign by using the alter command to add constraint to this particular table. So call. So clear? So this is how we can add primary key as well. So very simple. Alter command also. Very simple. Now. So now I want to drop the primary key again. So check the description. Here we have a primary key. So here I have a primary key. I want to drop this primary key using the alter command. So simple. How to do that? Okay. So alter table EMP drop primary key. That's it. See, now you can check the description. See, there is no. Okay. No. See, PRI. There is no PRI. Primary key is removed. Now, in this employee table, there is no salary column and gender column. So I want to add those two columns into my table. How to add it? Alter table EMP and add column within the bracket sal, float, and gender. gender. So okay. So multiple columns this time I am trying to add in this particular existing table by using the alter command. Okay, how to do that? So simple. See, this is how we can add multiple columns into the existing table by using the alter command. See, salary and gender. So like this. So yeah. So this is how we can, and so add చేసాం కదా, we can remove it. How to remove it? So alter table drop, so column, cell and gender. So gender, sorry. So salary, drop column cell and drop column gender, like this. So alter table. See, we are forget to add table name. Okay. So table, after table, we need to mention the table name, EMP table. So in MySQL, we need to mention everything in our query. If we forget anything, the query will not work. See, as of now, we have 3 columns. You want to drop multiple column like this. Alter table EMP, drop column, first column name, and drop column, second name, column. Okay. This is how we can do it. Okay. Multiple, adding multiple columns. This is, and primary key adding. So drop the primary key here. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. That's all.